Alright, so I've been resisting something for at least a year now, and it's time to, I've decided today, it was just very clear from the moment that I woke up that today was actually the day. And it's been a year, but if I want to be honest, it's been more like 10 years at least, that something wants to come out through me, and technically I'm totally fine to let it come out, but I've just always had these really good legitimate excuses, not to put myself, not to be responsible, I guess, for what comes out or what, not knowing. Hi, love. Oh, we're dropping the, hi, baby girl. You wanna, what is it? Okay, but mommy's making a video right now. Okay, come. Okay, all right. So she's gonna be part of the video. Okay, it's a little chilly, so we gotta be quick. So, okay, stay. It's downloads, it's messages from my higher self or other things, and of course they've been getting more and more intense since 2016, since I did the fast, and but even before that there've been a lot of urges. So it feels like an urge to go ahead and write something down, an urge to go ahead and record something, an urge to tell someone something, and then I started getting actual downloads for people. And at first I wouldn't tell them anything because it was just so kind of bizarre, and do they want to hear it? But the urge is much bigger than that, and I know that a lot of people have that urge, and I know people who have followed it and people who have not, and I know for a fact that people who have followed it have done the right thing, and they feel their lives have changed completely once they turned towards that voice and said okay and surrendered. And so nothing's new really here except the personal experience of it. You got your really good legitimate little excuses like, well, I'll just do it tomorrow, and I don't have the right camera, and my dog is not letting me do it. I don't really want to learn the software to edit the videos, and I just need to wash my hair first so it looks good on the video. Just on and on it goes. Or, of course, the big one, having the confidence to say, I'm going to go out there in the public and make myself known as, whatever. First the weirdo, but then as you move into this lifestyle, more and more of your friends all become weirdos, so that seems to disappear. But then you realize, sorry, I think I have dog hair everywhere, and look how cute she is. Hi. There's a lot of perfectly good excuses, and they have kept me from actually recording and uploading these things for at least a year and a half, but more. I do want to say, almost like a waiver, which is ridiculous of course, but I do want to say that I actually have no idea what it is that wants to come out, and I have no idea where this is going. I have waited long enough to be certain that it is not going away, and that it is not going to let me get away with resisting it further. So that's good. That feels good to me, because I can say that whatever it is, it has a mind of its own, and it's going to sort of be driving this. So a lot of the like, oh my god, am I making this video interesting, or is this does anybody care, is kind of taking off my hands now that I know that spirit just wants a mouth, and that's fine. I'm happy to be a mouth for whatever it is that it wants to come out, but I am also curious because I do not know. I don't have a plan. I don't have a an agenda. I do not have a blueprint that has been downloaded to me, that has been given to me. I don't really know where it wants to go, and so I'll be actually along for the ride, which is kind of cool. I did want to use the big full moon tonight to mark that beginning of something, and to use its power, I guess, to have the courage to leap. Because I've been teetering on the edge of this cliff for years. So I like the symbolism of this very unique, very powerful, very confident moon to give us all the release required to go ahead and do those really big, brave things that live inside of our heart that scare us, you know, because we have all that little voice that says, I know that I can do X. I know that I can, should even be involved in something really, really, really big, whether it's for some reason dolphins and cleaning the ocean just popped into my head. But everybody's got that dream that's just so far out of reach that says, I really could, I really should, but well, you know, and then the excuses. So I hope that actually more and more people are using this moon for the same purpose. And let's see where this takes us.